Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. Gonna be making some breakfast burritos, so let's get to it. Alright, the last of my bacon. Of course, I gotta make hash browns. Soak it, remove all the extra starch. Pan's heating up. Get some olive oil in there. A fairly good amount because, you know, hash browns. I soaked these and then wrung them out like I did in the last video. You gotta salt them. Add a little bit of garlic. I like garlic. Maybe a little paprika. Just a bit. Alright, so bacon's all done. Alright, so I have one mushroom, which I'm going to throw in there. Cooking it in bacon fat. Trace Webbles. 3 eggs. Alright, let's flip these hash browns over. Oh yeah. You know, it's interesting. I had one farm fresh egg left. You could tell the difference in color. Alright, mushrooms are done. I'll go ahead and get the eggs going. Almost forgot to turn the camera on. Almost forgot, I should say. Go ahead and kill the heat. There's plenty of heat in there to finish cooking. Oh yeah. Everything is about done. I'm just gonna get these carb balance tortilla shells. I'm just gonna warm them up right over the hash browns and kind of steam them, and then we can eat. Time to assemble. Homemade hash browns. Okay. We got some eggs. I don't know if I'm even going to be able to roll these. A lot of food on those. Well, maybe it'll be breakfast tacos instead of burrito. Bacon. Got some cheddar cheese. And the final ingredient is avocado. I happen to love avocados. Alright, well, here are my burritos. Oh. I guess my eyes are bigger than my tortilla shells, so. Oops. I mean, what are you gonna do though, right? Well, I can barely almost pick them up. Yeah, it tastes phenomenal though. Alright, well, they came out larger than planned. In fact, I already ate one of them. I'm feeling kind of full now. I'll have to see how much I can eat of the other one. Yeah, it tastes phenomenal though. The crispy bacon, the hash browns came out good. The creamy avocado, not Swiss, cheddar cheese. Yeah, really good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday. And yeah, man, thanks to Shovelhead 8 keeping these going. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good one. Peace.